Hello, good morning from everybody. My name is Jesus Vanegas Pedraza. I'm 16 years old. I'm from Colombia and I'm a student at Secar University. I live in Sabana de Torres. I was born on September 28, 2005, and I grew up in Comuneros neighborhood with my parents. My family. These are my parents. He is my father Jesus Vanegas Garcia and she is my mother Cristina Pedraza Calderon, and we live here together in Sabana de Torres, Colombia. Where is Sabana de Torres located? Sabana de Torres is in the department of Santander in Colombia. And my personal information. My phone number is 31878777317, and my email address is federervanegas@gmail.com. Thank you for watching the video.